Welcome to our channel, Project Zapworks. On this day, we are going to check three types of lockout made by Schneider and made by Master Lock. And these are lockouts for MCB. We have two types of MCB here, or what we call a miniature circuit breaker. This is Schneider and a ABB. This one is a Schneider made lockout. It has hole in it. They made perfectly for it. Just plug it in, then push it, and fits perfectly. The problem for this is your new padlock this one does not fit. It's too big for it. It won't. The only thing to use is the cable lockout, a universal lockout which is used for electrical, mechanical, and others. This one perfectly fits to it, and you can lock it out. Then you can use the padlocks for it. See, works perfectly. And if you see this, even you push it out, it won't be removed. The problem for this also again is it does not fit on ABB. It does not. The solution is a Brady 2-pin lockout. Just easily then fits perfectly. The good thing is the padlock fits to it with no problem. Nice. Also, this is a master lock. It's a metal. This one is plastic. It's easily. This one is a universal clip. Well, it can be clipped like that. So you have to use screwdriver here, or just handly tight it, then lock it in. I think that's wrong. I think we should oops, not a good lockout. This one doesn't work. but this one does. And it has a 2-pin. This one is an in pin. There's another lockout for it that you can clamp it on the outside. The problem is you cannot put it in here. So that's it. The Brady lockout, tagout, lockout pin. Much more perfect for these two. Thanks for watching.